If you Google how much does a new roof cost in 2026, you'll usually see a simple number, 8,000, 10,000, something like that. Here's the problem. That number doesn't actually tell you what your roof will cost. In this video, I'm going to explain why online roof price estimates are almost always inaccurate, what realistic roof price ranges actually look like in 2026, and what actually makes a roof cost 9,000 and another one cost 29,000. By the end of this, you'll know whether your quote you're actually holding makes sense or whether something important is missing from it. Hi, my name is Riley and I run a roofing company here in San Diego. I see real roof prices every day based on real houses, real labor, real building codes. So let's start with why online prices fall short and are very inaccurate. Most roof averages you see online are built on assumptions. They assume small, simple houses. They ignore rotten wood, permits, code upgrades, and they treat labor cost as if Iowa and California are in the same place. That's like asking how much does a car cost? Are we talking about an old commuter car, a brand new luxury model car? Instead of pretending there's one universal price, there's a smarter approach to understanding ranges and what actually drives those numbers. There are a handful of factors that determine roof cost every time. First is size. Bigger roof means more material and more labor. Second is pitch. The steepness of the roof makes a huge difference. Steeper roofs take longer, they require more safety measures, and they cost more to install. Third is going to be the tear off. The demo of the project makes big differences. One layer of shingles is straightforward. Multiple layers of shingles or tile or concrete, clay dramatically increases the labor and disposal. Fourth is the decking condition. If boards are rotten, gapped, or damaged, they have to be replaced, and that can add hundreds or even thousands. Fifth is material and warranty level. Basic architectural shingles, impact resistant products, or premium systems all priced very differently. Sixth is details and accessories. The flashings, the skylights, the ventilation, chimneys, underlayment. This is where the quality really shows. And finally, the region and contractor quality. Labor rates, insurance, licensing, and overhead vary widely by location and by company. Any average price ignores all these factors and it's not useful. So, what do real roof prices look like in 2026? These are ballpark ranges for full tear offs and replacements. Your local market may be higher or lower, but the spread is what matters. For a small, simple home, say single story, low pitch, easy access with just architectural shingles, proper underlayment, ventilation, and permits, you're often in the range of $9,000 to $14,000 with legitimate contractors. For a typical family home, 2 stories, valleys, a chimney, maybe some wood replacement, a realistic range is 14 to 24,000. For complex or high-end homes, steep roofs, multiple facets, skylights, tile, metal, or premium systems, you can be in the $25,000 to $55,000 plus range. When a quote comes in far below these ranges, it usually means something is being skipped. Permits, proper materials, ventilation, warranty requirements, and those shortcuts, they'll always show up later. This is why two quotes for the same house can be $10,000 apart. When you compare them, don't just look at the total, look at the details, look at the full system. What underlayment is included? Are the flashings new or reused? Is rotted wood accounted for or assumed fine? Is the manufacturer warranty properly registered with the right accessories? Are the crews licensed, insured, and professionals? The clearer and more detailed the quote, the more confidence you can have in the number. Vague quotes make it easy to hide omissions. So, how do you know if your roof quote is fair? First, match it to your house type. Simple, typical, or complex. Does the price range land in the right general range? Second, read the scope, not just the bottom line. Materials, underlayment, flashings, wood, ventilation, permits. It should all be spelled out. Third, ask them to walk through it with you. A good contractor will sit down, show photos, and explain exactly what you're paying for and what makes them different. If someone avoids questions or gets defensive, that's important information. There's no single roof price in 2026. There's your roof and the type of system you want that'll work best for you specifically in your city with your pitch, your details, and your code requirements. Online averages don't see that. Your contractor actually does. So if you're in San Diego County and you want a clear line by line roof price with no surprises, we're happy to walk you through it with photos, the scope, and the numbers that all line up. If this helps you understand what actually goes into roof pricing, hit like so more homeowners like you don't get misled by oversimplified estimates. Subscribe for more straightforward roofing advice, and in the comments tell me what's the biggest price difference you've ever seen for the same roof. I'll see you in the next one.